this is Fiona from the Shoalhaven Regional Gallery. I look after public programs and education. Whilst we are all working from home at the moment, we have been working pretty hard behind the scenes and developing some ideas to help maintain our connection with the community and also create new connections with new communities. So we have started an online content project. So this is number one, something that is easy to access at home using materials that are probably kicking around our homes. So the things you need today are very simple. Empty toilet roll holder, some masking tape, some scissors and some paper. I've got a couple of examples that I made earlier just to give you the idea. They're quite precise and strong in holding their shape, these little flower petals. Part of the reason is because the toilet roll in the middle, the empty one, it's quite soft but it still maintains its strength. So it's got a really good structure about it, which is really helpful when you want to make something that is almost a hard-edge design to it. So to begin with, what we're going to do is squash down the toilet paper so it's nice and flat and measure it up against one of the pieces I've cut earlier so that we get a reasonably accurate measurement in the same height of each piece, so it looks really nice when it's all finished. To then, you can use different sorts of paper. I've got some beautiful patterned ones here. You can see I've used clear, sort of just plain colours, but nice and bright. And also you can use other things if you don't have any of this sort of crafty paper around. You can cut newspaper print. You could use cutouts from magazines, old posters, advertising journals, that sort of thing. Anything that's got a bit of colour and pattern will work really well for this project. The next thing I'm going to do with this paper that I'm going to use for this petal is lay it down nice and flat like that so that I know I've got enough paper there. Flip it over, perfect. So then I take my scissors and then just cut along quite close. I might just trim that just a little bit, but as close to the cardboard piece as I can. I'll hold it at one end, fold it up and over, and put a really nice crease just at the bottom there, and lay that flat. I'm just going to use a small piece of masking tape, and I will wrap that around the end fold, capturing both ends of the paper as I do it, and stick it onto the cardboard as well. Press that down with your fingers nice and firmly. And then we have the final piece for our flower, which just you should be able to see it better against the black there. The next step with this is another piece of masking tape. You can never go anywhere without masking tape, but you could use sticky tape or perhaps staples if you do not have any. You could also use glue, but this is going to work a little bit easier to put it all together. So with this piece I've got the stickiness on the outside, and that's going inside the shape of the petal, coming around, fold it down and fold the other sticky on top. Once that's in place, then I fiddle around with it a little bit, making sure I like the way the colours are, how they sit nicely together. I think I'll separate the two greens because I've got two of those just to add a bit of different contrast in colour. When I get the two, the tips with the sticky tape on the end of the masking tape, just join them together and firmly press them together with your fingers. Then add your next one, same thing, firmly press it together. Then number 4, pop that in place. Again, nice firm, pressing with your fingers. One more through there, and then in the middle, if you put your fingers through all the different holes and push together, at the other end of that you have a flower, which they really remind me of like a laser cut jewellery piece. I think they're really beautiful, really simple. you can then, to finish it off totally, the leftover tape there, I'm just going to roll it up on itself. So the stickiness again is on the outside. Roll it up, pop it on the very top there, press it down, it will stick to you a little bit, and then all you need to do is craft a small circle. No, I think we'll use yellow to sit on top. And there you have it, another one the same as these. We could arrange them on the wall so that they create a bit of a pattern coming up, joining the petals together. Or the other thing that I think would be really beautiful as well is you could hang them in the windowsill, do a few of them at different lengths and just let them reflect a little bit of colour into the room that it's shining, the sun's shining into.